And for today's homework lesson, you're going to have 68 points on your homework sheet. Have that out in front of you, students. Students, put your name, date, period here, and then due date here for my onliners and homeschoolers. You had 12 points on your notebook for the classwork, but today, for today's homework, page 1, tell what it means for two events to be independent. Put your response here. Give an example of the dependent events for number 2. Number 3, tell whether the events are independent or dependent for event A, event B. Then put your answers down here, full sentences. You got 12 points here, page 1. Page 2, event A, event B. And then we go down here for number 5, a raffle question. What is the probability that you win the grand prize and your friend wins the runner-up prize? And then for 1 here, that's like a question you keep in mind. Then you respond here specifically to number 1. Decide whether you're winning the grand prize and your friend's winning the runner-up prize, or independent or dependent events, and then put your response down here. You got 8 points there for page 2. Page 3 was probability that you win the grand prize. Number 3, if you win the grand prize, was probability that your friend wins the runner-up prize. And then number 4, find the probability that you win the grand prize and your friend wins the runner-up prize. So put that probability in here for number 4. You got 12 points here for page 3. Page 4, 6 through 8, tell whether the events are independent or dependent for these situations here. Number 7, same thing. A digit can be chosen more than once, so a computer randomly chooses the digit from 1 to 100. Digit is prime, digit is odd. So give us the probability, or rather tell us if it's independent or dependent for number 7 as well. You got 8 points here for page 4. Page 5, independent and dependent here. Number 9, an art class. Find the probability that all three of the students chosen are girls from this scenario here. And you got 8 points here for page 5. Page 6, a word problem here, but does not keep track of which songs have already been played. A, you play a CD using the random setting. Are the selections of the first 2 songs that are played independent or dependent events? And then explain why or why not, what they are. And then B, you play a CD. Find the probability that the CD player plays song 3 first and then song 5. So put the probability of that here. Put your work in here and explain what you've done. 8 points here for page 6. And then page 7, again, CD, independent or dependent events here for C. D, find the probability that the CD player plays song 3 first and then song 5. And then number 11 here, candy, gumballs are randomly mixed. What is probability that the gumball machine dispenses 2 red gumballs in a row? So what would the probability of that be? And put that here. For page 7, you got 12 points here, and that is your 11.9 homework for pre-algebra math. Animated PowerPoint math video, AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.